Hey guys, today we went out of my comfort zone and I did a cut crease, but if you like what you see, then just keep watching. Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel. On Instagram stories, you guys saw me do like a cut crease, a pink one, and I'm gonna try to recreate it today. You know how sometimes when you try to recreate things, they don't come out as good. I was playing with makeup the other night and it came out super bomb. So we're gonna try it. I'm gonna go ahead and start with my skin because it's super dry. I'm going in with the Versali oil. And I'm gonna put that on my skin. Super, super dry skin. Try not to get it where you're gonna put your eyeshadow though. I'm just gonna dust over some foundation just because it helps the white balance of my camera a lot. So we're gonna do that. You guys follow my sister on Instagram and on YouTube. So funny. Now that we have our base semi down, we're gonna go in with some tape, of course, because you want your lines to be sharp. Yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead, get in there, put some tape down right there. And we're gonna get started. Okay, so now that we have our tape down, I'm gonna go in with this Makeupforever Aqua Paint. These things dry super fast, so you have to work with it super fast. Yeah, so just make sure that you work with it super fast. So the key to this is to not set the base. You have to put like a really nice, like thick opaque base on and do not set it. Work fast because it does crease. So there you go, you prime your eyes. I recommend if you do use concealer, use a really thick one that dries down because it helps a lot. I'm gonna go in with this Revlon palette. I'm gonna use one of their pinks in here and I'm gonna dust my eye with that. You see that right there? Pack my color on and just go in. So now I'm going in with the Huda Beauty palette. I'm gonna go in with Saffron and Amethyst. I'm gonna go do Amethyst first and just really work it in. Make sure it's super pigmented. Use a very light hand and just basically dab. You're gonna mix the saffron color and the amethyst color and use it really deep in your crease. It might look like a mess now, but I'm telling you, once you blend it, it's gonna be bomb diggity. I go in with some face powder and I go to my inner corners and I really just pack on the face powder right there because I want it to be pretty blank right there. You can even just dab the face powder right there to blend it. Now we're gonna go in with a smaller brush and in darker colors. I'm gonna go in with the Huda Beauty palette and then double tap and this black one from the Stardust palette from Vegas Nay. I know it's a lot of palettes, but you want it to be dark. Keep deepening it up, and this is with the dark black. Now here is the part where it gets fun and kind of hard. So you get your base again and you carve it out. So I did one eye off camera because, as you can tell, it is a kind of technical look for me. I don't usually do cut creases and things like that, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do the other eye on camera with you. I already did this part of my eye with you guys. Now I'm gonna go ahead and conceal this part, things like that. So let me clean my brush that's dirty. Yeah, so that's cut crease going on. I'm gonna be looking in my mirror. I'm gonna be looking in my mirror, it's right here. I hate when my look is like not put together and my hair looks weird in the camera. I'm gonna go ahead and get these two colors, the darkest ones, and go along that line again to sharpen it. See what I'm doing? Okay, so then I'm gonna go in with some of that pink and blend that more. Going in with this Vegas Nice Stardust palette, I'm going in with Pink Pearl. Okay, so now that we have our eyes done, we are gonna go in with the skin. Oh, I'm gonna do a really heavy foundation. If you use a brush with your heavier foundation, it will be more full coverage than a beauty blender. Now we're going in with Shape Tape. I want this to be like a full coverage, heavy duty look. Going with it. There. We are gonna go in with Hula bronzer because I like Hula, and it's a cool tone bronzer. And yeah, so I'm gonna go in with Hula. Now I'm gonna go in with my Tarte's, what is this? Blush and Captivating. Now we're going in with this highlighting palette. This is from Naked Cosmetics. Now that my lips are all moisturized and wait. I'm gonna go in with MAC's Boldly Bare lip pencil. So there's the look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I had a lot of fun filming it. I know that I feel like I'm trying to get back into the swing of things with tutorials. It's hard for me to like do liner and really precise things on the camera because I am kind of, I think my eyesight's going a little bit as I get older, so I have to really get into the mirror to see, and it's not worth it for you guys to see basically nothing. So That's why I do liner and lashes off camera, because I literally cannot see. But maybe I'll try to tweak my setup so you guys can see it. Oh my god, this was on me and I thought it was a spider, like no joke. I hope you guys did enjoy this look. I had a lot of fun filming it. It's something different from what I do, and this is like out of my comfort zone. I feel like I still am trying to perfect it. I hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial, and I will see you guys later.